Hi, my name is Raiza and I am your host in this edition of Libo to Keep Sagay. Is one of the must-see in Sagay City. Now, some trivia. This locomotive was built in 1925 and arrived in Fabrica, Sagay City to serve as the Insular Lumber Company. She holds 32 cars weighing 30 tons. She practically travels at least 21 miles every day. She was rebuilt by a team of talented mechanics headed by Mr. William Allen, while railroad lines by Mr. Carlos Orleans. This train was instrumental in steering of millions of dollars to ILCO, making it the world's largest hardwood lumber company at that time as provided jobs to the locals. More than 40 years of serving ILCO as the main workers in hauling logs, the management decided to transfer its operation to Hinubaan. Knowing the significance of Shetty to the people of Sagay, Edgar and Sonia Sarosa purchased the legendary steam locomotive, donated the locomotive to the city government in 1997. After months of restoration work by General Services Office headed by Apolinario P. Malundod Jr., and through its mechanical shop, General Foreman Rinaldo Oreta. Shetty now stands of the city public plaza, attracting every tourist and passers-by. Now next time you see this steam locomotive, admire this beauty and the piece of history it holds for the people of Sagay. And that's it for today's edition of Libo to Keep Sagay. See you!